Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A luxurious modern open-plan living space that seamlessly blends the indoors with nature outside. Large sliding glass doors open fully to connect the cozy living area and stylish kitchen with a lush garden filled with greenery and trees. The interior design features warm wooden tones, soft ambient lighting, and contemporary furniture, including a comfortable sectional sofa with accent pillows and a side table decorated with plants. The kitchen is elegant and minimalist, with wood cabinetry, black accents, and a sleek island counter paired with modern bar stools. The overall atmosphere feels calm, spacious, and inviting, creating a perfect balance between comfort, sophistication, and natural beauty. A stunning modern villa nestled within a lush forest setting. The house features a sleek, contemporary architectural design with clean, angular lines and extensive use of glass walls that create a seamless connection between the indoor and outdoor spaces. The lower level opens up to a spacious wooden deck furnished with a large sofa, lounge chairs, and a cozy sitting area, overlooking a tranquil reflecting pool and landscaped garden with stone pathways. Warm wooden paneling inside the villa contrasts elegantly with the dark, minimalist exterior, giving the interior a welcoming and serene atmosphere. The upper level features expansive windows and a terrace with greenery, blending the home beautifully into its natural surroundings. The overall design emphasizes harmony with nature, relaxation, and modern luxury living. A beautifully designed modern rustic kitchen and dining space. The interior combines natural wood elements with sleek, contemporary details. On the left, there is a long countertop with a marble surface, complemented by wooden cabinets and open shelves that display neatly arranged dishes and potted plants. Black metal fixtures and handles add a touch of industrial style. A large wooden dining table with matching chairs sits on a textured rug, creating a warm and inviting area for meals. Above, industrial pendant lights hang from the ceiling, enhancing the cozy yet modern ambience. On the right, floor-to-ceiling glass windows flood the space with natural light and offer a stunning view of the lush green outdoor scenery. At the far end, a stylish outdoor fireplace surrounded by wooden paneling extends the rustic modern theme into the garden area. A stunning modern tropical villa seamlessly blending with its natural surroundings. The design features expansive glass walls, clean concrete finishes, and warm wooden accents, creating a luxurious yet harmonious atmosphere. An inviting infinity-edge swimming pool stretches alongside the house, reflecting the lush greenery and open sky. Comfortable lounge chairs and cushioned seating areas are set beside the pool, perfect for relaxation. Inside, the open-plan layout connects the sleek kitchen with wooden cabinetry and bar stools to the outdoor living space, emphasizing a fluid indoor-outdoor lifestyle. Surrounded by tall trees and overlooking a distant ocean view, the villa embodies contemporary elegance and serene tropical living. A modern luxury kitchen with a sleek and minimalist design. The kitchen features dark matte cabinets with clean lines, complemented by a marble countertop and matching backsplash. Warm ambient LED lighting is integrated beneath the cabinets and along the ceiling, creating a sophisticated atmosphere. The floor is covered with polished marble tiles that reflect the lighting beautifully. Large floor-to-ceiling glass walls open up to a lush green garden outside, allowing natural light to flood the space and seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor living. Decorative plants and neatly arranged kitchenware add a touch of freshness and elegance to the overall design. A luxurious modern villa seamlessly integrated into a lush, forested hillside. The house features a sleek architectural design with expansive glass walls that allow natural light to flood the interiors while offering stunning panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and greenery. The exterior combines natural stone elements with warm wooden paneling, blending harmoniously with the natural environment. A spacious outdoor wooden deck extends from the villa, furnished with stylish lounge chairs, sofas, and cushions that create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Small garden lanterns and soft lighting enhance the warm, tranquil mood of the setting. In the background, tall pine trees and rolling hills surround the home, emphasizing its connection to nature. The villa's modern yet organic design offers a serene retreat, perfectly balancing comfort, elegance, and harmony with the natural landscape. A luxurious modern tropical villa seamlessly blending contemporary architecture with natural surroundings. The house is designed with open glass walls, allowing a smooth connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. At the center lies a serene pond filled with lotus leaves, adding tranquility and freshness to the courtyard. The structure combines natural brick walls, warm wooden finishes, and sleek black-framed glass doors, creating a balance of rustic charm and modern elegance. The outdoor lounge and dining areas are stylishly furnished, while greenery and soft lighting enhance the cozy, inviting ambience. The upper floor features a rooftop garden with lush plants, further integrating the home into its jungle-like setting. A beautifully designed modern living space with an open-plan layout that combines the kitchen, dining, and living areas. The room is filled with natural light coming through large floor-to-ceiling windows, which also provide a view of lush greenery outside. On the right, there is a cozy brown leather sectional sofa paired with a wooden coffee table on top of a patterned rug, creating a warm and inviting seating area. In the center, a wooden dining table with black chairs sits next to a spacious kitchen island with bar stools. The kitchen features sleek wooden cabinetry, a marble countertop, and modern appliances, blending contemporary design with natural materials. The upper level includes a mezzanine with railing, decorated with shelves and plants, overlooking the entire space below. Indoor plants are strategically placed throughout the room, adding freshness and a natural touch to the industrial-style concrete walls and ceiling. The wooden flooring and furniture create a harmonious balance with the greenery, resulting in a modern yet earthy ambience. This space perfectly combines functionality, comfort, and aesthetics, making it ideal for both relaxation and social gatherings. A stunning modern tropical villa seamlessly integrated into a lush forest setting. The house features a sleek, contemporary design with clean, angular lines and expansive glass walls that allow natural light to flood the interior. Warm ambient lighting from inside creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere, contrasting beautifully with the surrounding greenery. The villa has 2 stories. The upper floor contains bedrooms with large windows offering serene views of the jungle, while the lower floor opens up to spacious living and dining areas connected to the outdoor deck. A wooden pathway leads to the house, blending harmoniously with the natural landscape of ferns, plants, and tall trees. The combination of concrete, wood, and glass materials gives the architecture a balanced mix of modern luxury and organic harmony with nature. A luxurious modern house surrounded by lush greenery. The exterior design combines natural stone walls with sleek black framing and warm wooden paneling, creating a contemporary yet inviting atmosphere. Large glass sliding doors open up the interior to the outside, seamlessly blending the indoor living space with the natural surroundings. The wooden deck extends outward, featuring an outdoor dining area with a table and chairs, as well as additional seating with woven furniture. The landscape is beautifully arranged with stone pathways, decorative rocks, and carefully placed plants, all illuminated by soft garden lighting. The warm glow from the interior lights enhances the elegance of the home, giving it a cozy and welcoming feel amidst the serene environment. Modern eco-friendly villa surrounded by lush greenery, featuring minimalist concrete architecture with clean rectangular lines. Large floor-to-ceiling glass windows reveal a warm, inviting interior with wooden finishes and ambient lighting. The flat roof is adorned with solar panels and trailing green vines, blending the structure with nature. In front of the villa is a cozy wooden deck with a small reflective pool at the center, surrounded by soft outdoor seating cushions and loungers. The atmosphere feels serene, sustainable, and luxurious, with an emphasis on harmony between contemporary design and the natural environment. A modern 2-story eco-villa nestled in lush forest surroundings, featuring minimalist concrete and glass architecture with large floor-to-ceiling windows. The flat green roofs are covered with grass and plants, seamlessly blending with nature. The interior glows with warm ambient lighting, highlighting wooden finishes and greenery inside. A sleek reflecting pool extends in front of the villa, mirroring the illuminated facade. The atmosphere is tranquil, luxurious, and sustainable, with a perfect harmony of modern design, natural greenery, and serene water reflections.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.